Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Can you guess what I'm making? Hint, hint. Hint, hint. I'm gonna be making tacos. Yeah, the hubs name want tacos, so I'm gonna be making some tacos. I'm not a huge taco fan, but my husband loves a good taco. Right here I have my 80% lean ground beef. I have a bell pepper. I'm not gonna use all of it though. Piece of an onion. I have my taco seasoning and my shells. I also have tomatoes that I'm about to go chop up shortly, and lettuce. And we also have cheese, so those will be the toppings and everything on top of his little meat that I'm gonna prepare right now in his little shell. Well, he got this one that can actually stand up with him fancy self. Is it that fancy though? So yeah, people, what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna chop up a piece of the bell pepper, a piece of the onion, and I'm gonna saute everything in my wok. I'm using my wok to do this, and I will keep you guys posted on everything that I do. So it's time to get to work. Yeah, let's do this. So you guys, I put the ground beef in the pot. It's cooking, started cooking. I haven't seasoned it yet. I'm about to add some adobo, black pepper, and some crushed pepper because he does like spicy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. After I finish browning my beef, that is the point in which I'm gonna go ahead and add in my chopped onions and peppers. I am doing this because I didn't want it to be all cooked out right now. I was hoping to keep a little bit of crunch to it. So that is the reason why I haven't added them as yet. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and come right back. So I added the adobo, the crushed pepper, and the black pepper. You see how much liquid this produced? So what I'm going to do when it's at the point where I feel like it's finished enough for me, I'm going to drain some of this liquid off because I really don't need all of that. And that is one of the reasons why I also didn't go ahead and add in my onions or peppers yet, because I didn't want them getting all mushy inside of all this liquid, which I'm going to end up draining anyways. So I'm going to add them to the pot right before I add in the taco seasoning. You see that? I'm about to stir this pot. It smells so good. Alright guys, so all this excess oil, don't need. So I'm going to go ahead and drain it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my onions and peppers and the taco seasoning. So I will be right back as I drain this. I forgot to mention, for those of you who haven't done this before, you do mix the taco seasoning out with water. I already did that. So I'm about to stir this up.